Hi children, good morning. In the previous video, we have learned decimals, definition of decimals, parts of decimal, when decimal point divides the given decimal into two parts, whole number part and the decimal part. Next, the expansion and short forms of the decimals, types of decimals. We have many two kinds of decimals, like decimals and unlike decimals. Comparison of decimals, conversion of decimals in fraction to decimal and decimal to fractions. In addition to that, the operations on decimal. Addition and subtraction of decimals completed in the previous video. In this video, we have to learn multiplication and division of decimals. First of all, multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals shall come across three situations. Situation 1, multiplication of a decimal by situation 1, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Second one, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Third situation, multiplication of decimal by a decimal. Okay, multiplication involves three situations. First one, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Second one, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Third one, multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. For the first one, multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, we have to follow some rules. First one, on multiplying the decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. For example, 12.96 is multiplied by 10, then it becomes 129.6. If the 12.96 is multiplied by 100, the decimal place shifted to two places. If it is multiplied by 1000, shifted to three decimal places. If it is multiplied by 10,000, shifted to four decimal places. To the right. To the right side. This is the process for multiplying a given decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. 10, 100 and 1000. That is the first one. Now, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Decimal by a whole number. For this one, multiply the decimal without the decimal point by the given whole number. For example, here 14.25 is multiplied by 6. First of all, we need to multiply the given decimal by whole number without multiply. 5 6 30. 6 2 12 plus 3 15. 6 4 24 plus 3 27. 6 plus 2 8. Okay, without a decimal point, we need to multiply it by a given whole number. 6 5 is 30. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15. Oh, sorry. Here 30. 12 plus 3 15. 24 plus 1 25. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. 8550 होगा. Next, mark the decimal point in the product to have as many places of decimal as are there in the given decimal. Now, for the given decimal has 2 decimal places. That's why our resultant means the product also contain 2 decimal places. Okay, this is the process of multiplication by a whole number. Okay. Here for 40.26 is multiplied by 12. I mean 12 6 72. 24 plus 7 31. For the 0 plus 3. 3 only. Here 4 12 48 plus 3 51. Okay, 72 24 plus 7 31. 0 plus 3 3. Here given decimal has 2 decimal places. That's why put point according to the number of decimal places. Our product also contains 2 decimal places. In this way, we can multiply a given decimal by a whole number. Now, the third case. Multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. For this one also, we have the same process. For example, 2.54 is multiplied by 1.3. Now we need to multiply the given decimals without no decimal point. 13 4 is 52. 13 5 65 plus 5 70. 13 2 is 26 plus 7 33. For the given product, now we need to put the decimal point according to the number of decimal places which are given in the both decimals. Here 2 decimal places are given. Here 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place is given. In total we have 3 decimal places. That's why we need to put a point according to the number of decimal places. Here we require 3 decimal places in total. 3 decimal places. The process is 2.54 is nothing but 254 by 100 is multiplied by 1.3 mean 13 by 10. Here 254 into 13 by 1000. 1000 have 3 decimal places. With respect to the denominator, we can employ the decimal places. given decimals. Now, division of decimals. Division of decimals. Division of decimals also shall come across three situations. First one, division by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Next one, division of a decimal by a whole number. Third one, division of a decimal by a decimal. Like multiplications only, we have three situations. First situation, division of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. The second situation, division of decimal by a whole number. Third situation, division of a decimal by another decimal. Here the process is for the division of decimals. On dividing a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to one place to the left. In case of multiplication, point shifted to the right. In case of division, point shifted to the left. Here 25.89 is divided by 10. It becomes 2.589. In case of multiplication, 25.89 into 10 is given me. It becomes 258.9. Shifted to right. Here shifted to left. Point shifted to right here. Point shifted to left here. That is going to be the difference. If it is divided by 10 means 25.89 divided by 100. Now point moves to left. How many times 2? 2 decimal places moves to the left. So 25.89 divided by 100 becomes 0.2589 as the question. Next, dividing a decimal by a whole number. Dividing a decimal by a whole number. First one, perform the division by considering the dividend a whole number. When the division of whole number, part of the dividend is complete, put the decimal point in the quotient and proceed with the division as in case of whole numbers. Here, for the given 39.168, divide 39.168 by 12. Example. In 29.168 divided by 12. Now, 3 12s are 36. 3 is the remainder. Bring down 1. We put a decimal point according to the point. Now, 12 is 24. 7. Now, bring 6. 12 8s 96. 12 6 70. Here 4, 8, 4 12s 48. So here 39.168 by 12 is, you will get 3.264 as the question. Another example, 0.567 by 9. 0.567 by 9. 0.567 divided by 9. Here 0 is smaller than 9, so 0. 5. 5 also smaller than 9. So bring 6. Now 9 654. Here 2. Bring 7. 6 3. So 9 3 is 27. Okay, we took 2 decimal places at a time. 2 decimal places at a time. That's why put the another 0 here. Here 0 is smaller than 9, that's why 0. After the point, here also put one point. Bring 5 first of all. 5 is smaller than 9, that's why we need to bring 6 also. At that situation, we need to put the another 0. So here 0.567. 0.567 divided by 9 equal to 0.063. 0.063. Next, division of a decimal by another decimal. Decimal by a decimal. Division of a decimal by another decimal. Decimal by decimal. 0.36 divided by 0.122. 0.36 divided by 0.12. Here 0.36 divided by 0.12. We have same number of decimal places, that's why divided and multiplied by 100. Then 0.36 becomes 36. 0.12 becomes 12. Now 36 divided by 12 means 3. We will get that as question. Here 1.459 divided by 0.3. So here 1.459 divided by 0.3. Here we require 2 decimal places. Now multiply and divide by 1000. Now it becomes 1459 by 300. So 1459 divided by 300. So 4 3 is 12. 1200. 259.0 8 3 is 24. 2400. Here 190. Put enter 0. 6 times 1800. 100. Put enter 0. 3 900. It will come. So the required result is 4.863 bar. 3 like that. It will come. That's one bar. We have two type of decimals, terminating and non-terminating decimals. In earlier the 6th class we already read these things. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. Here terminating, non-terminating. Terminating means there is an ending decimal place, means 1.625, 24.1, 3.6785. Like this. There is an ending decimal place. Non-terminating means there is no end in the decimal place. 444 and so on. 3.56, 56 and so on. 14.0455 and so on. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. Terminating and non-terminating decimals. In this video, we discussed the multiplication of divisions and division of multiplication and division of decimals. Here, the similarity. For both cases, we shall come across three situations: multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100,000, etc. Division of a decimal by 10, 100,000, etc. Second case, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number, division of a decimal by a whole number. Third one, multiplication of decimal by another decimal, division of a decimal by another decimal. These three situations we learn here. Now, word problem based on multiplication and divisions. State word point of view only I am explaining. First problem. If the cost of a pen is rupees 28.50, find the cost of 48 such pens. Cost of a pen 28.5. Now we want cost of 48 pens. 28.50 into 40. So here 285 into 48. 85 is 40. 88 64 plus 4 68. 8 to 16 plus 2 22. Now 4 5 is 20. 4 is 32 plus 34. Yeah. 0, 8, 6. So, rupees 1, 3, 6, 8, 0. Here 2 decimal places we require as 136 rupees 80 paise. Cost of 40. Cost of a pen is given, less given, more they are asking, that's the multiplication. Next word. 1 kg of milk has 0.264 kg fat. 0.264 kg of fat. How much fat is there in how much fat is there in 12.5 kg of milk? Let's take the more there are some here also multiplication. 1 kg of milk has 0.264 is fat. For 12.5 kg of milk has 0.264 into 12.5. Here 264 into 125. 5 4s 20. 30 plus 2 32. 10 plus 3 20. Next 8, 12, 4 plus 1, 5. Next 0, here 0, 10, 7 plus 6, 13, 3. So 3, 3, 0, 0, 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 base 1 plus 6. That's why it has a 3.3 kg of fat for 12.5 kg of milk. For 12.5 kg of milk has 3.3 kg of fat. 3.3 kg of fat it has. Next, the side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeters. How many sides does the polygon have? Here, perimeter means length of all sides. Sum of lengths of all sides is nothing but its perimeter. Here, regular polygon is given. For a polygon means you can't find it, because in a polygon it has a different size it may be, but it is a regular. All sides are equal. If it is a regular polygon, its all sides are equal. Polygon means simple closed figure bounded by 3 or more than 3 line segments is called a polygon. If it is a regular, it has a equal number of sides, like equilateral, triangle, square, like that. So side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters they gave. Perimeter also they gave. So here more they gave. In sum of all sides they gave. We require a number of sides. That's why our process is division. Here perimeter equal to 17.5 centimeters. Here side, length of side is 3.5 centimeters. We require number of sides equal to total length by length of each side. Here total length is nothing but perimeter. So 17.5 by 3.5. Mean it is multiplied divided by 10. It becomes 175 by 35. So 175 by 35 when 5. 535 is 175. So it has 5 sides. So the given polygon is a pentagon. Given polygon is a pentagon. The side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters. Perimeter of the polygon 17.5. How many sides there are? Perimeter means length of all sides. Sum of length of all sides is 17.5. Length of each side is 3.5. So here 35 sides are 175. That's why our required length is required number of sides are 5. Means pentagon. Here rainfall of 0.896 centimeters was recorded in 7 hours. Means total rainfall in 7 hours recorded is given. Now we need to find the average amount of rain per hour. Here also more they give, less they are asking. Recorded rainfall in 7 hours they gave. We need to find the rainfall in 1 hour. Average amount of rainfall. Now rainfall recorded in 7 hours equal to 0.896 centimeters. Now rainfall recorded in 1 hour we need to find. For finding 1 hour we divide 0.896 by 7. Now 0.896 by 7. Here 0, 8 one time, base 9, 7 ones, 7 twos, 14. Here bring down 6. 8 sevens 56. So the required rainfall is 0.128 centimeters. This is the required rainfall. In this video, we discussed multiplication and division of decimals in different situations. In addition to that, small topic terminating and non-terminating decimals we discussed. Terminating decimal mean decimals which have an endpoint. Non-terminating mean decimal which doesn't have an endpoint. Recurring or non-recurring also can say. Non-terminating decimals are recurring, terminating or non-recurring decimals. And word problems based on multiplication and division of decimals we discussed. Okay, Next, a small topic based on state board area, that is rational numbers. Rational numbers. There. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0 and PQ belongs to integers are called rational numbers. Numbers which are in the form of P by Q, which are not in the form of P by Q, are called irrational numbers. Only rational numbers we have. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Actually, rational number starts with R, but we have real numbers also. In the next classes, we will learn real numbers also. Real numbers denoted the others. Here, rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. Q means quotient. Quotient numbers also. Rational numbers are also treated as a quotient number. That's why rational numbers denoted by Q. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. In the given fraction, denominator should not be equal to 0. If it is 0, then it is. Here, there is a difference between rational numbers and the fractions. The difference is this one. Fractions are also in the form of P by Q, where also Q should not be equal to 0. But here, PQ belongs to whole numbers for the fractions. Okay. Numbers are in the form of P by Q are called fractions. If PQ are whole numbers, numbers are in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers if PQ belongs to Z. Here we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, in addition to the rational numbers. So, natural numbers are subset of whole numbers, subset of integers, subset of rational numbers. Mean all natural numbers are rational, all whole numbers are rational, all integers also rational numbers. The biggest set of all sets till now. So, all natural numbers are rational. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those numbers are all rational numbers. 0 also a rational number. All negative numbers are also considered as rational number. In addition to these natural number, whole number and integers, we have some special numbers, mean fractions, decimals, altogether. But all decimals are not rational. The numbers again, numbers which we contract in terms of P by Q, neither terminating nor non-terminating decimals are not called rational numbers. The remaining numbers are all rational numbers only. Only introduction of rational numbers is given in state board. That's why learn till there enough. Okay. Here the difference between rational numbers and fractions in the numerator and denominators part. Both are in the form of P by Q. PQ are whole numbers mean fractions, PQ are integers mean rational numbers. There are no negative numbers in the fractions, but in case of rational numbers, positive and negative fractions also we have. That is only the difference. Have a nice day. Bye.